I am Saurabh Jagdish Sonole and today's Viva topic is main method. Java main method. Method is a block of code which only runs when it is called. You can pass data known as parameters into a method. Methods are used to perform certain actions and they are also known as functions. The main the main is the starting point for JVM to start execution of a Java program without the main method. JVM will not execute the program. The syntax of the main method is public static void main string arguments. Then public. It is an access specifier. We should use a public keyword before the main method so that JVM can identify the execution point of the program. If we use private, protected and default before the main method, it will not be visible to JVM. Static. You can make a method static by using the keyword static. We should call the main method without creating an object. Static methods are the method which invokes without creating the objects. So we do not need any object to call the main method. Void. In Java, every method has the return type. Void keyword acknowledges the compiler that main method does not return any value. Main. It is a default signature which is predefined in the JVM. It is called by JVM to execute a program line by line and the execution after completion of this method. We can also overload the main method. Then string arguments. The main method also accepts some data from the user. It consists a group of strings which is called a string array. It is used to hold the command line arguments in the form of string values. Then next, main string arguments. Here arguments is the array name and it is of string type. It means that it can store a group main, that it can store a group of string. Remember, this array can also store a group of numbers but in the form of string only. Value passed to the main method is called arguments. These arguments are stored into arguments. Array, so the name argument is generally used for it. What happens if the main method is written without string arguments? The program will compile but not run because JVM will not recognize the main method. Remember, JVM always looks for the main method with a string type array as a parameter. Thank you so much.